This is Dr. Douglas Chang. I'm coming at you from Aloha Animal Hospital, and this is our weekly Any Kind Stuff. Today we're talking about pancreatitis, and for those of you who are cat owners, cat parents, I want you to pay particularly close attention. So pancreatitis, disease of the pancreas, and the organ, the pancreas, produces many things. One of the major things it produces are the enzymes that digest the foods. And so these enzymes break down the large molecules into small molecules that we can digest. Example, proteins are broken down to amino acids, fats broken down to fatty acids, carbohydrates broken down to sugars. And now the body can absorb those small molecules. When the pancreas gets inflamed, pancreatitis, instead of releasing those enzymes just into the intestine where the food we ate is, it releases those enzymes into our abdominal cavity. So kind of like if I were to open up our abdomen and pour acid in there, it would eat up all the tissue there. It's kind of like that. Which is why when you hear of people with pancreatic cancer, it's very sore, because it's digesting our own tissues. The point. Pancreatitis causes a lot of things: vomiting, upset stomach, soft stool, diarrhea, and pain. And depending on which organ it affects, the kidney and or the liver or the stomach, can make some pretty bad damage. Which brings us to our cat owners. We are thinking that the normal cat behaviors of being a finicky eater or vomiting up hairballs or coming to the veterinarian having stress and showing up a lot of sugar and a lot of issues about stress, those might be pancreatitis, because they're sore and not feeling good, which is why they're vomiting because of the pancreatitis, maybe not because of hairballs. Or they're a finicky eater, they don't want to eat this food because it's too rich and it was caused by pancreatitis. Or they're sick, they come in, we draw blood and we see the stress-related blood changes, and we think it's because we were drawing blood and stressing them, as opposed to pancreatitis. And I mention it because there's new testing available. We've been running it more regularly, and guess what we're seeing? Pancreatitis much more common than we thought it was. Of course, in the dog that's relatively common, but in the cat we're seeing that as well. So until next week, have a nice time. See you later.